Yo, what's happening, peoples? Now I'm with you with another video. Nah, just fucking with you. I know that was a little extra, but yeah, what's happening, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm on my way to this next appointment. I'm actually gonna be taking a road trip this time instead of it being in a hometown, I guess you can say. I gotta take a trip to Carson, so we taking a road. So I made it to the crib. I made it to the location. I meant pretty much the hose that she had was kind of old, so I basically had to go to Home Depot and get a new pair of water hose. So basically I'm just had that on the go. So now it's no excuse. I just need your outlet, and then we can go from there. But the good news out of that is I was expecting to spend like $40, but I guess they got little deals going on where they had a $25, almost a $30 discount if you sign up with that little rewards, like right then and there. So you already know I did it. So guess how much I spent? $10 for some water hose and the bucket. So we have just these little spots. It's not too much. You probably can see those things. That's the main priority of what we're trying to get rid of. And yeah, those little spots. Just go ahead and just fix the hell out of it. Why not? Just drop down the solution, the degreaser. So I'm just gonna let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. I don't want to have it too long. So have it sit, and then yeah, I'm almost finished.
Don't this look so beautiful? It just, oh my goodness, just gets all the dirt. You see that? Tell me why, after this exact video, the surface cleaner wanna break on me. Yeah, that one right there broke on me right after that video. One part of the little filter spots didn't work, so I had to use my wand alone. But you feel me? At the end of the day, I got the job done. It took a little longer, but the main focus was getting it done. You feel me? Got it done. Customer was happy. I was happy. Every time I do a concrete or anything, you feel me, with this pressure washer, I just enjoy it.
First half, you kind of tell the difference already. Like, yeah. So I left that part. Yeah.
With this house, they mainly had moist mold that had grass growing on it. Believe it or not, it was something new. I mean, I've seen it before, but now that I'm in it, like, you know, working, it's like you start to see things interesting. Most of the houses in the area had it as well, so that's cool points for me to, you know, give out my flyers, see if anybody else needs some work done. But yeah, this was fun. This was fun right here.
So pretty much this side, and partial this side. This is my last little part though. So you can see I did that on purpose so you can tell that that's doing its job. all I got left. Do it, baby. So that pretty much concludes for today. Pretty much that's it. Just got through, I'm still packing up, getting my stuff ready, but this is pretty much everything that needs to be done. Yeah, I'm gonna just catch you guys when I'm done and already packed and talk to the person. This dough. Right out the front door. And now we out this thing though. Freedom, 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 freedom. Yo, 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 yiggity, 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 ya, 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 ya. No, I'm just playing. But look, check me out, y'all. I'm done. That concludes this video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate everybody for watching. And yeah, this is really the beginning of whatever it is God have in store for me. And I am patient, and I am patient. With that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, night, morning, whenever you decide you want to watch this. And yeah. Stay blessed, live well. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but yeah, stay blessed, y'all.